Shopkeeper Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are included in the description below. In this video, I'll provide a complete review of Shopkeeper for dropshipping, discussing its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's dive right in. Shopkeeper is a tool specifically designed to help e-commerce store owners, including dropshippers, manage and optimize their operations effectively. While it's not a standalone e-commerce platform, Shopkeeper integrates seamlessly with platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and WooCommerce. It offers a range of features tailored to tracking inventory, analyzing sales, and improving profitability. With real-time data and intuitive dashboards, Shopkeeper is perfect for those looking to streamline their store management and focus on scaling their dropshipping business. One of Shopkeeper's key strengths is its focus on data. It provides detailed analytics, including profit calculations, cost breakdowns, and sales trends, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. It also supports multiple marketplaces, making it an excellent choice for dropshippers who manage inventory across various platforms. Another standout feature is the automation tools, such as low stock alerts and automated expense tracking, which help reduce manual work and improve efficiency. Shopkeeper's user-friendly interface ensures you can access essential data quickly without unnecessary complexity, saving time for business growth. However, there are some downsides to Shopkeeper. First, it's not an all-in-one solution, so you'll need to already have an e-commerce platform in place to integrate it with. Additionally, while the analytics are powerful, they may feel overwhelming for beginners or small-scale dropshippers who don't require such detailed data. Pricing is another consideration. Shopkeeper's subscription costs might not be ideal for those on a tight budget or just starting in dropshipping. Furthermore, its focus is primarily on operational efficiency rather than customer-facing features like store design or marketing tools. So who is Shopkeeper best suited for? It's an excellent choice for established dropshippers or e-commerce businesses that need advanced analytics and operational tools to scale their business. If you're managing multiple products, platforms, or marketplaces and want to gain better control over your operations, Shopkeeper is worth considering. However, if you're just starting or need an all-inclusive solution, you might need a more beginner-friendly alternative. That's the full review of Shopkeeper for dropshipping. If you're interested in exploring it further, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping insights and reviews.